The coronavirus pandemic has changed the way schools and educational institutions function. Before they can go into a remote learning mode, they should be aware of the likely security vulnerabilities, experts say. Sophos India Managing Director Sunil Sharma gives us some tips about cybersecurity. There has been an uptick in coronavirus related phishing scams, and there's a chance of such emails making their way into the inboxes of teachers, administrators, and students. To prevent this, staff must be provided with guidance that allows them to identify these emails. As students and teachers spend more time online, they are susceptible to become victims of an account takeover. This would allow criminals to log into the school's network, launch ransomware attacks, and take control of the data of teachers and students. Schools should ensure skilled IT professionals manage their network security and devices, besides taking care of the endpoint security. This would prevent cyber criminals from exploiting weaknesses in the school's cybersecurity infrastructure. Schools must be able to deploy a firewall that detects and blocks ransomware at the gateway and also prevent its lateral movement. Schools should be able to block access to inappropriate websites and stop risky files from being downloaded by using a good antivirus solution. This will also prevent phishing attacks.